All right, guys, so here we are, the new AutoChimp Electronics multi-camera kit. And what this is, it's a wireless Bluetooth remote control that will allow you to control the cameras on your vehicle, on your factory screen, and add up to 3 additional cameras, which is great for you guys out there that have campers, front cameras, side cameras, interior cameras, caravan cameras. If you want to run all that on the factory screen, you can get this system. So this customer here has mounted it on his dash. You can do that as well. You can turn it on and camera 1 will activate the factory camera anytime, even while driving, so you can actually see behind you. So that's really cool. You can actually turn it on and off via the remote super quickly, super easy. But if you had additional cameras, you can plug them into our module and it will give you 2, 3, and 4 on the factory screen. So if I hit 2 here, you can see the second camera comes up. I can go back to the factory camera, back to camera 2. If I had camera 3, it would show here, turn camera 3 off. So you can run up to 4 different cameras on the factory screen. Does not interfere with your factory reverse camera either. So if you put it in reverse, that will still work like normal. As you can see here, I'm pulling it in and out of reverse, it comes up. But the benefit of having this multi-camera kit is that if you're parking in reverse like this and you're parking a trailer, camper, anything, even the side you can't see, you can now press this and it will override and show you the other angles. So when you're parking, you're not going to see or not going to hit anything because you can see. And that's the benefit of this kit. And you can just turn that off and you're still back at your normal reverse camera. So that's really what you want to be doing when you're parking. So this kit's been designed to work seamlessly. For anyone that wants these kits, they come in a nice little package. They're all plug and play. It's the multi-camera kit from AutoChimp Electronics. I'm going to show you how to install it in this video as well, or in another video. Check out our YouTube channel, AutoChimp Electronics. Completely designed and made in Australia by us for you guys. So we've been in the industry for 15 years building this stuff for you. This new kit, completely plug and play. You will not have to wire a thing. And what we've done, for those of you out there that want reverse cameras, or you don't have the cameras that you want to add to this system, we've made our cameras plug and play as well. So you don't actually even have to wire the cameras in. They will plug into our system and our system will power your cameras. And our system, so the multi-camera kit comes in 2 components. So it'll come like this with the main vehicle module. And I'll show you that here. So if you pull the remote out, you get the main module here. And it's super easy to do. And you would plug our cameras in here, 2, 3, 4, camera 1, 2, 3, 4. And you've got the factory camera here and the video output and the power's here. So our plug and play harness will connect here and all the new cameras will plug here. And that will correlate to camera 1, 2, 3, 4 on your remote. Super easy, guys. You don't need any skill. We're going to show you how to do it. We even make these vehicle specific install kits so that it can plug and play to your factory vehicles like this Toyota. So this kit, for example, this is a Toyota kit. This will work for any Toyota 2019 onwards. You can plug it in, it will work off the factory screen, it will allow you to operate the cameras. So here, I wake up the remote, activate. It's that quick, it's that easy, switch between them, turn them off, and doesn't void any warranty, completely plug and play. Hope you like that kit, guys. That's a couple of years worth of research with you to develop that here in Australia, and it's finally available.